Hi guys, it's me Kia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a little get ready with me. I literally love doing these because I don't go anywhere, so I barely ever have a reason to get ready, but today I do because I'm getting ready to record videos. This is a video, but like I'm getting ready to record more videos. So yeah, I've been trying to upgrade like my little makeup routine recently, you know, just like make it kind of better. I did get a vanity, which I literally love. You cannot see her, but okay, you can kind of see it's turned off, but here's my vanity, which I literally love. I'm obsessed with it. Like I kind of just got the idea into my head one day, like, oh my god, I wish I had a vanity, because then I'd be able to like get ready, and like I love how like it looks with like your vanity on, like the lights and stuff. Like sometimes, like even if my whole room is dark and I just turn on the vanity, makes such a big difference in like the lighting and everything, and like it just looks so, I don't know, I just love vanities. I just feel like they're so girly and cute. So I was like, oh my god, I want a vanity so bad, and then I can do like, I can get ready in it and stuff. I don't know, I just love it. So I don't even know why I actually brought that up, but I got a new vanity I remember now. I got a new vanity recently, and I like organized my makeup into it, and I'm trying to make my routine better. Hold on, I cannot see myself that well. Let me pay attention so I actually don't look insane. And yeah, so I'm still on my little powder foundation, and I put it everywhere to just kind of mattify myself and like even out my skin. But yeah, hi you guys, how are you doing? There are a lot of videos I want to make. Sometimes I get like so many video ideas that I just like, I get them, and then there are so many to the point where I'm like kind of shook. I'm like, I don't even know what to do, and then I end up making none of them. But you know what, I'm I'm like on my grind. I'm literally, I'm making a promise to myself that I'm going to be on like my grind. So I've been grinding out like homework because I am in college, and like trying to do my best in making the best content that I can. Speaking of homework, I actually have tried to make like, I've tried to make multiple school vlogs because I feel like that would be cute, but I literally just like am the worst vlogger. I can't tell you how much like vlog footage I've deleted because I just feel like I'm so terrible at vlogging. I just don't know what it is. It's like, okay, I'd be doing stuff in my regular life, right? It's like hard for me to like remember to vlog, and then even if I remember, most of the time, like when I exactly remember, I'm not doing anything interesting. And then if I ever am doing something interesting, okay, sorry if you guys can hear background noise, that is out of my control. But if I ever do remember, it's like I'm doing something boring, but then if I am doing something interesting, I'm in the moment with it, and I like can't vlog like for some reason because I'm like busy doing the thing, you know what I mean? So it's like, damn, I don't know how people do it like and vlog every like day and stuff. I just don't know, like, because then like it's like hard to, I don't know if it's just, maybe it's just me because I'm like forgetful or whatever, but it's just so hard to remember to actually pick up the camera and like actually vlog and like get into it, you know what I mean? It just, I don't even know. So yeah, I tried to make like multiple school vlogs. I want to at least try to get like one of them out just to see how I like it, you know? Like I want to still try it out. I'm still trying to figure out like what kind of content I want to do regularly, but I do want to try that out. It's just like, bro, it's so hard to like remember to do. And then also another thing I don't like about my vlogs specifically is that when I make them, I always feel like they're so like uncohesive to the point where it's like, bro, like I don't know, I like the stuff to be like at least somewhat organized. Whenever I finish them, or whenever I try to like look at all the videos, all the footage all together, it's just like looks like a mess. I'm like, dude, I can't upload this, I can't just be posting anything. So that's kind of like where I am with that. But I have been like grinding out schoolwork lately. I'm just like in my college era now and stuff. So yeah, I just finished like the base. All I do is like put on, like I can't even like see myself because I don't have contacts in, but like I'm just hoping I don't look too crazy. But I usually just put on like my base, which is just powder foundation, to like kind of counteract my oily skin, and I put concealer and then more powder to obviously set the concealer, and then that's pretty much my base. And then I usually add some blush, but I'm not like a huge blush like I don't know, I'm kind of like, I like a little bit of blush, but I never really do like too much. Just I keep it very demure, very cutesy when I whenever I decide to wear blush. I saw this thing that was like, Gen Z doesn't know what business casual is, and I fear I may be a victim of that, because I have this thing to go to at my school that's actually on Monday. Today's Saturday, so that's actually in a couple days, I just realized. But I have this thing to go to at my school that's you're supposed to dress business casual, and I don't know what that is. Like, okay, before you attack me, I look up what business casual is, and it's like all stuff I would never use and like would never, like, you know what I mean? Like, it's just like, I don't want to say old people stuff, but it all feels like old people stuff. And like, I know I'm getting older, but baby, my age still says teen in it, so I'm really not there yet. So that's kind of crazy to me, but I don't even know. I just feel like I know like the whole office siren thing is like popular, has been popular lately, and like I know unfortunately in the real world like no one would actually wear that, but what an amazing like place this world would be if we could actually wear that stuff, like for real, because like who is trying to wear real business casual? I just feel like it's not that cute at all. I love me a little like black pencil. Hold on, I can't talk while doing it. I love me a black pencil because I can use it as a lip liner, and like if I wanted to fill my brows, I could use it for that too. It's so useful. I don't really even fill my brows all the time because I like my brows to be like more gentle looking a lot of the times. Like I don't know, I just don't want my brows to be like one of the more dominant features in the makeup. Like I'm mainly going for like lips and eyes for like, you know, for those to be like the main thing. So I don't like fill my brows a lot. Okay, so literally one of the last things I'm gonna do is glue on my lashes. I have like a whole bunch of lashes that I literally just get online. I like fluffy lashes. As you can see, there's a trend, but yeah, I just literally use some regular like strip lash glue. Everyone wears clusters these days and they look so cute, but I just know that I wouldn't be able to do it. I actually tried clusters back in like a little over a year ago, and it was just not for me. They were so hard and like so obnoxious. Like I couldn't, like it was just annoying to like have on like 100% of the time, unfortunately. I'm open to trying them again, but like I'm kind of like scarred from that experience. They were just so uncomfy. I don't know how people do it, like have them on at all times. I don't know if that sounds like a pick-me. I'm like the opposite of a pick-me. If I could, I would. It just like aggravates me. I don't know what it is. Anyways, I apply this like strip lash glue, kind of like an eyeliner, and then I just like literally glue it on directly. It's like easiest for me to do it that way. Hope this doesn't freak anyone out. I'm like so close to the camera. I just don't have any contacts in. I should have put those in before. I did not think about it. Okay, so then I kind of like let that dry, and in the meantime I'm gonna put on some bottom mascara. know what it is, but whenever I put on mascara, I have to like open my mouth when I do it. I've seen so many girls do this, like when you're trying to do something focused, like with your like eyes, brows, whatever, like you have to open your mouth. I don't know what it is, like it's so weird. Okay, I was trying to break the open mouth curse, so I tried to I tried to close my mouth while doing it, but yeah. That's it. My lashes are just a bit too long. I should have trimmed them, but I haven't done my makeup in a long time, so I guess I just forgot how long my lashes are. They are just a little bit too long, like just a little bit. But I feel like it's so cute. And I am gonna fill my brows just a little bit, because I don't even know, I feel like whenever I start filling it, it just becomes like overdone looking so quick, which I like hate. So I'm just gonna fill them just like a little bit. Sorry, I shut the camera. Like just like a little bit. I feel like that's a little bit better. And that's my entire makeup routine. I already put on lip gloss before, so I kind of still have it on. I'll put a little bit more. That's literally it. I want to do like my edges real quick and fix my bun. So yeah, I'm gonna come back when that's done. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is the final result of my get ready with me. I did some edges and then just took my hair down out of the messy bun, and yeah, that's it. Just super quick, easy get ready with me. I ran out of things to say, but yes, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be time.